Hi!
Hi.
We look like a hot mess because we just went for a walk.
A walk.
Did we ride?
No.
No, we walked.
Hey, it's too hot.
It is too hot. Where did we walk to?
We walked to Melbourne.
We went to the mailbox?
Yeah.
And what did we get?
We got,
Say, I don't know.
I don't know.
Say, it's a package.
It's a package.
Do you think it's a book?
It is.
It's got like a little book. Oh my gosh, this package, hang on. Let me show them the packaging. Aw, it's a necklace for mommy. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's an evil eye. It's supposed to ward off all the bad. You trying to put it on mommy? I think we gotta open it. It's supposed to let all the good come in. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Should I put it on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and you have one similar to this from the same company. It's in your room. Mommy got a necklace and Aurora got a stick ink pen. Oh my, oh look, and it has her logo on it. This is really cute.
Yeah.
I love you too.
Yeah.
It says Karma and Luck. Those are the people that made that really cool pencil and made mommy's necklace.
Somebody made this ink pen.
This is literally the most beautiful packaging ever. Like, I've gotten packages from Karma and Luck before.
No.
They always do a phenomenal job with their packaging.
There's that one. This ink pen has a wood right here everywhere.
It's an ink pen and it's got wood everywhere?
Yeah.
It looks like a stick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Mommy.
And they even included a book which tells you about the different symbols and gemstones.
And gemstones everywhere.
You see the gemstones? What color do you like? You like that one? That one's really pretty.